Want to make a giant 3D snowflake for almost no cost? Today I'll show you how to make this beautiful decoration using just 3 popcorn bags. If you love easy crafts that look amazing in photos and classroom decor, this one is perfect, and it takes less than 10 minutes. What you'll need. All you need are 3 popcorn bags, scissors and glue. That's it. Step 1. Prep the bags. Start by flattening all 3 bags. If the tops are uneven, trim them so everything lines up neatly. Clean edges equals cleaner snowflake. Step 2. Stack and glue. Stack your 3 bags with the openings facing the same way. Then add 1 long glue line down the center and 1 short line at the bottom. Step 3. Seal the stack. Press the bags together so they stick as one. Think of it like creating a thick paper block. Add 1 long glue line down the center and 1 short line at the bottom. This glue pattern is what gives the snowflake its 3D expansion. Step 4. Create the snowflake design and cuts design. Trace your design. Cut triangles, little slits, rounded pieces. Whatever design you want. Here's the key. Don't cut all the way through the sides or the snowflake won't hold in shape. Shape the tip. Cut a point or curved shape at the top. This becomes the center of your snowflake when it opens. Step 5. Expand the snowflake. Unfold the bags and open the layers. You'll already see the snowflake design coming to life. Glue the final connection. Add glue to one end, pull the 2 ends together, and press. This final connection transforms it into a full 3D snowflake. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you created a beautiful snowflake using recycled popcorn bags. Perfect for classrooms, parties, or winter decorating on a budget. If you want more easy crafts that look amazing on camera, hit like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Let's keep creating.